Welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I'm going to show you how I make my turmeric jelly face mask. This face mask is so hydrating on your skin. It has so many amazing benefits and it's made with nourishing ingredients that will help smooth, hydrate and brighten up your skin. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to weigh out my ingredients and everything I used will be listed in the description box. I'm getting started with my xanthan gum. I'm going to use that as my thickener, and to my xanthan gum I'm going to add my vegetable glycerin. The vegetable glycerin is going to help hydrate the xanthan gum. To my mixture, I'm going to add in my turmeric powder. Of course, turmeric powder has so many amazing benefits. It's also going to improve the appearance of your skin as well. I'm just going to mix everything so it's well combined and I'm going to set this aside. In another container, I'm going to add in my distilled water. To make this mask very hydrating on your skin, I'm using aloe vera juice and the gel. I use processed aloe vera gel because it lasts longer in this recipe. I'm adding in my calendula extract. You can use other extracts as well. There are so many amazing ones out there. I'm just going to add that in. And next is my vitamin B3 powder. This is going to provide extra hydration for your skin. I'm just going to mix all that in with my whisk until the powder is dissolved. And this is what the mixture is looking like. I'm going to add in my turmeric mixture. Once you add that in, you want to take your time and mix so that way everything can be well combined. It does take some time, so just be patient until everything is well combined. And because I'm extra, I used my mini whisk as well, and I just used that until it was well combined. And after I did that, this is what the consistency looked like, and I was happy with the consistency. So just take your time to do this because you might end up with clumps if you don't mix it very well. So the next thing I did was to check the pH of the mask. It's very important to check the pH of your products that you're making. I have a video on how to check the pH. It's going to be in the description box, as well as a preservatives video. So I added in my preservative. Of course, you can use other preservatives. Once I added that in, I just mixed until it was well combined. And the beauty of this recipe is you can make changes, substitutions that work best for your skin type. This is what my jelly face mask is looking like. This is the consistency. You can always adjust your thickener if you want a lighter or thicker consistency. So I'm just going to package this up next. And the turmeric jelly face mask is ready. There's so many great benefits to this mask. It's a very lightweight, hydrating mask because of the aloe vera and vitamin B3 that was used. And it's going to feel very moisturizing and soothing on your skin when you use this. Turmeric over time will help even out your skin tone as well. So to use this mask, you can use this up to 3 times a week. You would just apply this on cleansed and washed face. Make sure your face has been washed, and then you would just apply this all over your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. And you would just follow up with a moisturizer and your regular skincare routine. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, useful. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe. Please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload. And also, please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.